Oh, in Jersey, we don't make U-turns at the traffic light. We have what we call jug handles, which means that you look for an off-ramp to come around just as such to make a U-turn and or a left turn. This is how it's done. Whoop, 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 whoop.
What's up, man?
$30 regular.
Ooh.
Is it regular?
How much?
30. Yeah, look at that. See?
Worse.
We don't get out the car to pump our gas. 2 snaps. Ow. Oh, you hating because we don't have to get out of our car to pump our gas? Next time when it's raining and or it's cold as hell outside and you gotta get out to pump your gas, you would be wishing that you was up here and had full service. Isn't that right?
That's right.
But shizzle. What time is it? It is almost 2 o'clock. I was supposed to leave here at 12, and my father, who gets what he wants because that's my daddy, the best daddy in the whole world.
You would have caught.
Or he would have bitched to complain about it, but yeah, I told him I wanted to leave. He's like, yeah, let's watch a movie while we eat breakfast, and then go bike riding, and then take a ride.
That shit
over
sounds
this
so
way.
good. Come on, what the hell you doing?
I'm waiting on you. You back there running your mouth.
So won't you stay with me? I got what you need. So won't you stay with me?
Let's go knock this bike ride out there.
Nowhere, baby. Don't go.
We asked you guys to know and asked you for, you better stop doing all that. I'll do that blogging shit. Okay?
Well, that's why I'm doing it. Why is it that old people always have to remind you that they used to wipe your butt and change your diapers?
Well, I'm not just an old person. I'm your father.
Okay, well, still, okay. Well, parents, cousins, remember that cousins, aunts.
That's right. And your ass is old right now. You know the fight.
All right, let's go.
Ask this guy for, now your brother.
Woo. Getting a little bit of exercising.
Other police was called.
Spies on my B-word.
But today, it's your fault. So I said, you know, I'm already running late. You know, I sit down and eat my breakfast, right? And it's okay. Well, instead of watching the news this morning,